Okay, so inserting this label into the bear is actually very easy. It's great because this won't get separated from the bear like a hang tag will. And this is on a finished bear. You can see this is where I have it. It's right below where I finished sewing. You can see it. Right there. And here is how I'm going to insert it into my the body of my bear. I like to put them in the body near the butt. So I will take one of my labels, fold it in half, and then we're going to have put the bulk of the tag is going to be on the inside. So we have our two body parts here, first sides together or right sides together. This is the tummy on this particular piece. This is the back. And I am going to put it right about here is where I want it to come out on the back. So I'm going to place it here. This is getting, let's see, this got a little uneven, so I'm going to straighten that up. There we go. I'm going to have it go a little past the edge of the fabric there. I'm going to use one of my alligator clips. You can use a pin if you use pins to get your pieces together. That's about where I'd like it to be. So now I'm going to pin the rest of this piece together. Now I did already trim the seam allowances on this bear. Okay, now I'm coming up to this part, make sure that the tag is in, and then as I slide the mohair in, and then I'll just take this, undo it, and then do it again. Then when I sew, I'm going to start from here like I usually do, and then I'll machine sew here. I'll skip a stitch where the neck joint goes. I'll sew here all the way around, and then I'll sew with my machine or hand sew. I'll sew all the way up to here so that I go a little past, you can see here, a little past where that tag is, maybe to about here, and then I'll double sew it again. And that's all you have to do to get a tag, a sewn-in tag for your bear.